Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at The Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and that's Mike, my brother. So, we are here at Mount Moriah Lodge. I don't know what the number is. I'll place it somewhere in here, maybe up there. I'll put it right there. Mount Moriah Lodge. We are here in Anderson, Indiana. Never been to this lodge. Looking forward to it. Check out the building behind him. It's nice and pointy. Ooh, looks like a one of those. What do you call them? Pyramids. Yeah, pyramid thing. It's not big down that way, but it's the other way. You been here before?
First time.
First time. Awesome. Awesome. We're actually wearing blue shirts, so we're matching. We didn't plan this. Of course, they say something different on here, but oh well. So come on and join us, because if you like videos like this, check up here. I'm going to put on my left. Check up here. I'm going to put information about the playlist of all Masonic lodges we've been through. We're getting close to 150, so hopefully we'll continue on and just stick around along with this, because we're just entering, or actually we're living. What are we living?
The coolest life.
The coolest life, Masonic edition. But first, the dining room. Good sized dining room. Good sized dining room. And I walk through this room here, and I don't know what they do in this room. It just looks like an extra hallway or something. Okay, maybe I do know what they do in this room. Let's go in the big room. They got a really nice big foyer in here. I mean, check this place out. Nice, yeah, very nice. Dining hall is that way, and their lodge room is this way. So it looks like, also looks like they've got some meeting rooms. There's an office there. There's a meeting room there. Cool. Well, we're going to get a tour inside this room in just a minute. So we come in the main door, and they've got some nice logos here. You don't see this a whole lot. And also the leather that's on the door. We've seen some doors that have some leather on, but most do not. Let me get you a shot of this room. Check it out. Yeah, it's like that. That's cool. Big area. Lots of doors on the side. Big open space. Yeah, actually, from the outside, it looks like a pyramid, as you saw. Here we've got nice. The holders here have logos. And these are 2 ball canes, as you can see. Good workmanship. I like it. That's their staff there. And columns. A little different here. Good sized globe. Also got columns in the back depicting the senior warden's area. You can tell the different chapters there that they have. That's going to be different at the other stations. Really like the pedestal here, the column that they have here. This is setting down. Oh, that's nice. Nice piece. Good workmanship. I wonder if someone local did that. I don't see any logos on the chair, but the chairs do look good, and you can see that this right here matches this one here. So it's neat that they all go together. We're wired for sound. I like the indirect lighting all the way around the outside. You got the inner door here. Let's see if there's a knocker on it. My guess is no. Nope, I didn't see a knocker on the other door either. Hey, restrooms. Nope, no knockers there. Ample seating around the side. What they got, 4 rows back, some on the floor, and then they've got the 3 rows back. I see there's a square here. About to do degree work today. We're going to do the fellowcraft, and I believe that may just come in handy. Treasurer's desk over here. Looks like he maybe gone. I don't see a ballot box here close. Got some working tools there. It's the Worshipful Master Station. Again, this one actually matches what the senior warden does. The chairs do, they all match. Sometimes you go into some lodges and this one here is going to match this pedestal, but it's not going to match the senior warden or junior warden. In this case, they do. And also the columns you see, they're different. This kind of reminds me of the one in, oh gosh, where is it? I'm going to post it right here. It's going to be out of Athens. They've got a backdrop somewhat like this at Athens Lodge in Georgia. Let's see what we got as far as. There you go. Royal Arch chapter here. This is all their charters. Got a nice flag there. We've got the secretary's desk there. He got a Bible ready to go. He's going to do. He's got a projector there. They may do some degree stuff here on the wall. We'll see about that. Look at the ceiling here. It's just cool. Just don't see that in most lodge rooms. That's for sure. And let's go see the junior warden station. More of the same. Of course, the column should be standing now because we are at refreshment. And everything matches again, to include the 2 ball canes you have here for the steward staff. And last but certainly not least, let's look at this altar here. We don't see any kneeling pad on the east side, but they do show the lights here to the other side. Looks like a push button. Nice. Right there with your foot. You see that? That's such a nice touch. Makes it easy, that's for sure. Looks like they got a pounding pad and a kneeler. I don't know what that bucket is for. Got another square over here. Good looking altar. So if you get a chance and you're here in Anderson, Indiana, you want to come out and visit the brothers here at Mount Moriah, number 77. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Had a great dinner. Such a beautiful building. It's just amazing how nice this is. They were chartered in 1849, but I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. Be sure to like and subscribe, and to tell other friends of yours about this video. Be sure to subscribe. You know, only about 10 people out of 100 that watch these videos subscribe. You be one of those, okay? So go ahead and subscribe. This is a really cool building. I'm gonna tell you, you just don't see them like this every day. But come on out here, join us, and as I'm out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.